Hello everyone, my name is Amrin Shabir Chaudhary and I am faculty of Arihan Junior College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Camp Pune. In previous video, we saw 5 ways to do fast math. Now today also I am going to explain you another 5 ways to do fast maths, tricks and tips for doing math in your head. First, 10 and 11 times tricks. The trick to multiplying any number by 10 is to add a 0 to the end of the number. For example, 62 into 10 which is equal to 620. There is also an easy trick for multiplying any two-digit number by 11. Here it is 11 into 25. Take the original two-digit number and put a space between the digits. In this example, that number is 25, that is 2, 5. Now add those two numbers together and put the result in the center. That is 2, 2 plus 5, 5. That means 2, 7, 5. Hence, the answer to 11 into 25 is 275. If the numbers in the center add up to a number with two digits, insert the second number and add 1 to the first one. Here is an example for the equation 11 into 88. That is 8, 8 plus 8, 8, which means 8 plus 1, 6, 8. And the answer is 9, 6, 8. Second, percentage. Finding a percentage of a number can be somewhat tricky, but thinking about it in the right terms makes it much easier to understand. For instance, to find out what 5% of 235 is, follow this method. Step 1. Move the decimal point over by one place. 235 becomes 23.5. Step 2. Divide 23.5 by the number 2. The answer is 11.75. That is also the answer to the original equation. Third, quickly square a two-digit number that ends in 5. Let's use the number 35 as an example. Step 1. Multiply the first digit by itself plus 1. Step 2. Put a 25 at the end. 35 square equals to 3 into 3 plus 1 and 25. That is 3 into 3 plus 1 equal to 12. That is 12 and 25, which is equal to 1225. That means 35 squared equals to 1225. For tough multiplication, when multiplying large numbers, if one of the numbers is even, divide the first number in half and then double the second number. This method will solve the problem quickly. For instance, consider 20 into 120. Step 1. Divide the 20 by 2, which equals 10. Double 120, which equals 240. Then multiply your two answers together. 10 into 240, which is equal to 2400, which is the final answer of this question. Now the last one, multiplying numbers that end in 0. Multiplying numbers that end in 0 is actually quite simple. It involves multiplying the other numbers together and then adding the zeros at the end. For instance, consider 200 into 400. Step 1. Multiply the 2 times 4, which is equal to 2 into 4 equals to 8. Step 2. Put all 4 of the zeros after the 8, that is 80,000, which means 200 into 400 equals to 80,000. That is your final answer. Participating this fast maths trick can help students improve their math skills and become secure in their knowledge of mathematicians and unafraid to work with numbers in the future. Thank you everyone for listening. Thank you.